Hello, what should be eating? Today is we are going to discuss what should you be eating. I think you can look at here. Uh, I think the presentation is showing healthy eating pyramid. Before that, we'll just know why we need to know all this. Nowadays, I think we can see the weight loss industry is very, very huge and large market, and it's very profitable and growing industry. Modern lifestyle half in. So, what is the reason for all this? So, the lifestyle of the people now, the modern days, weight gain and obesity, and maybe influx of weight loss. So, they are now coming back to weight loss, and plants and products into the market are just coming like showered into the market. So, we all know that weight gain is the main problem. So, we have to accept it. So, depends on how you eat, what is the food intake, and if you how much do you exercise. So how much you eat, how much you work out. So these two should be balanced. So depends on that, maybe your weight. So to put in briefly, weight is calories in, calories out. So what you eat, what you spend. So you have to spend as many calories, how many you are taking. So here the pyramid helps you to demonstrate how a balanced diet can be achieved. So what is the healthy eating period? We'll now just go one by one. So what is on the top of it is in the shape of the pyramid. So and he gave the importance to the from top to bottom so that we have to go from here. So the best thing they suggesting dairy products. So it actually is put on the top of the priority. Healthy eating pyramid. So milk, dairy products are very, very important. Next thing is, so we have how much the same milk gives you, maybe the strength required for you, and at the same time you can be healthy. Next comes here the fish. So fish and all this me, those things will be helpful for you to. Maybe you are consuming them, but it will actually help you to get good protein to your body. And again, here we have maybe curd and all those things also kept along with the milk products. So next comes the vegetables. So what are the vegetables you are taking? So vegetables are very, very important. So all kinds of vegetables which are healthy. Maybe avoid which vegetable is having more carbohydrates. Go for the vegetables which are giving you protein or fiber, and those things will be helping you. And here we have fruits. So they contain all nutrients, vitamins, what we need to take. So we'll find C vitamin, A vitamin in vegetables and fruits and all those things. So take care here. He has given all kinds of fruits, maybe except few fruits. All fruits will help you to put immunity levels, and even maybe you can also, if you depend, mostly depend on them, and less carbohydrates if you intake, you are definitely will become a fit person. So you'll be a healthy person. Then comes your bread. This bread and grains and all, actually they are supplemented along with those. So if you have to eat more of them and you have to less this. But what we are doing is we are eating more rice and more bread and less of this milk or the vegetables and fruit. So we have to balance it. So first priority we have to give to the milk products, next to the meat and the fish. Next we have to go to the milk and meat, fish, and then vegetables and fruits. Then comes the here all the grains. So and the food which is made of grains. So if you follow this healthy eating pyramid, definitely you'll be getting all the benefits. So to demonstrate how balanced diet can make a person can be achieved. So the healthy eating pyramid is carbohydrates takes a longer time to digest. That's why these are all carbohydrates. They take longer time to digest, and this helps to prevent even sudden rise in the fall of sugar levels and all. So carbohydrates, if you take healthy carbohydrates, it will control even your sugar levels, and also maybe insulin will be under control. So and it will be type 2 diabetes will be avoided. So this also we have to remember. So what are the other things? So nowadays obesity is a very serious problem. So food intake and exercise are the two main factors that change our body weight. So without good nutrition, one's body is more prone to diseases and infections, and fatigue and poor performance. A diet contains proportionate amounts of those food groups which are considered to be optimal for good health. So as already we have seen in the picture, so what are optimal for us? So we have to choose from that kind of maybe health chart that we have taken. A properly balanced diet should include whole grains, healthy fats and oils, fruits and vegetables, fish, eggs, and dairy products. According to WHO, these nutrients are vital for disease prevention and growth, and also for good health. So our physical fitness and overall health depends on what we eat, hence it is important to adopt healthy food habits. It helps to look, feel and better and energized. We should be having energy also. If we are eating very less also will become malnutritious. So we should eat sufficiently to be energized. Whole grain contains healthy carbohydrates, which take long time for the body to digest. That's why carbohydrates should be taken less. But healthy carbohydrates actually help you to take time, more digestion time. So you will not eat much. Oatmeal, brown rice, these are the healthy carbohydrates. And brown rice and whole wheat bread are few sources of healthy carbohydrates. This avoids the sudden rise and fall of blood sugar levels and insulin in the body.